Welcome back to Ketorific Journey with Mike. I'm Mike. Today, I'm going to make a cheesesteak bake. You can call it a cheesesteak pizza bowl if you want. Whatever. It's not going to blow on bread. So, stick around and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Alright, I'm going to start out by adding some garlic in. Ooh, listen to that. And the crowd goes wild. There's going to be a couple of kinds of garlic in here. I've got avocado oil in there because I don't want to scorch it with olive oil. I've got it on a medium-high heat. And I'm going to add in some peppers and onions. And you know what? I forgot to get my mushrooms out. Let me stir this in real quick. And I'll be right back with the mushrooms. Don't go nowhere. That'd be something else if I remembered everything I was supposed to do. Okay, these mushrooms came from Aldi. They're in a can because I'm having the devil of a time still running mushrooms. They look good. I mean, plenty of mushrooms in the store, but they look rotten. Or look like they're going to be rotten in about a day. So, canned mushrooms it is. They're in water, so no big deal as far as I'm concerned. We're going to let that cook for a little while here. It's going to come back up to heat here shortly. There it comes. Just going to kind of get some color on it. If you want to call this a pizza bowl, that's fine. Whatever, a bake, you know, it's pizza bowl might be a more accurate cheesesteak pizza bowl. But it's going to get baked, and I'm hoping it's going to be good, because I'm winging this, folks. I just kind of conjured this up in my head. Saw some meat in the store and said, I think I can do this. This is not something that I have done. So we're both seeing how this works for the first time, and if it don't work, you're going to see it. If it do work, you're going to see it. So, and yes, I know I talk hick. In case you're wondering, these two things here, you got a glass stove top. These things here, when you try to clean it, you can get this stuff here, spray it on there, and little build-ups. You can let it soften it with this, and then these will scrape it right off, and then you can clean it right off. And you don't have cakey build-up on your stove top, your glass stove top. So. And you don't damage your glass stove top, because they're not going to damage it. And yes, I'm using a deep pan because I don't have a wok, and I am known for making messes, and I didn't want to make another mess. So that's why I'm using this. It's deep. Got a wok coming from Amazon, but don't got it right now. Alright, now I'll put a little Mikey mix in there, which is garlic powder, pepper, salt, and onion powder. Oh boy, how is this aromatic already? I'm loving it. Okay, now ran across this beef here, shaved beef that they had in Kroger. This is what threw me into the idea of making this. They had a deal and a half on this. It was like more than half off. It was like, I want to say it was like $5 or $6, but it was extremely cheap from what the original cost was. It's already shaved and it's, you know, looked good to me, so what the heck, right? You know what I need? I'll tell you what I need. What I really, really need. Oh, this is really tricky. Meant for ground beef, but it'll do it right, just fine and dandy right here. That's what I need, what I really, really need. I'm going to get this browned up and I'll bring you back. Okay, I've got it browned up and I've added just a little bit of cheddar cheese into it because I want to give it some extra body. You know, instead of just the meat being there, it'll get the body in there. Might actually add a little more, so, you know, it creamies it up a little bit, so. Not to worry, when we get it baked, it will have provolone cheese on it. So, this is just to kind of add to the body of the meat and give it a little more flavor. I'm going to cut the heat off because that is done. All right. Now I'm going to take it off the heat here, and we're going to put it in a pan and cover it with provolone cheese. Let me move this camera back over here where you can see me. We're going to put it in a pan, cut provolone cheese on top, and bake it. And let the cheese melt and whatnot, and then we'll be ready to eat it. So, bring you back and show you how it looks in the pan when I lay it out. So tell me what you think of it, dear.
It looks wonderful.
It's taco chili.
Is it hot?
Well, probably.
Hot. Another delicious meal.
Well, thank you kindly. I appreciate you doing a taste test for us. And so do the millions and millions of fans that are out there that don't watch me. So we've got this ready to go in the oven. So it'll cook up and it'll be whatever, you know, whatever you want to call it. It's Philly cheese steak, pizza, cheesesteak, cheese steak, bake, you know, whatever. It's either one. It doesn't matter to me. But she's all set to go in the oven. I'm gonna put her in at 425 until looks done. It's like I said, I'm kind of winging this. I just pulled it out of the oven and it was bubbling when I pulled it out. It's kind of stopped now because I had to get the camera out, but that's it. Turned out to be about 10 to 12 minutes, so that's not bad. Cheese got a little bit of a toast to it and it melted in nicely. Real pleased with how it looks. Now let's hope it tastes good. So the lovely Miss Page has consented to do us a taste test. So go ahead, dear. It might be a little hot.
This is such a hard job, but you know, somebody's got to do it.
I appreciate it. I know you didn't feel like doing this tonight. I know you're tired tonight, but I'm grateful. I'm grateful.
Okay.
So thank you very much.
Mmm. Oh, yeah.
Does it taste like Philly cheesesteak?
Well,
Or cheesesteak?
maybe. I mean, it's been so long since I've had a Philly
Oh,
cheesesteak.
okay, okay.
I don't really know if I can compare it to that, but it's
got
very
you.
good. I can.
Okay. I'll take very good.
Yeah, very good. Delicious.
All righty. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome,
I
darling.
appreciate it. All righty. There you have it. It's a hit. And I'm telling you, if she didn't like it, she'd tell me go back to the drawing board. So, till the next time, this is Mike at Ketorific Journey. Let's be careful out there.